Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make another super easy cocktail, the Pina Colada. Now I'm going to show you how to make it in batches for parties. Super easy cocktail, all we need is 3 ingredients. I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. Alright, without further ado, let's dive right into today's cocktail. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need pineapple juice, coconut cream, I'm using Coco Lopez, and your favorite rum. Alright, so I got this container here. To make this I'm gonna need double the recipe, so I'm gonna need 2 cans of coconut cream and 2 cans of pineapple juice. So the coconut cream comes into like a paste. To make it liquid, we're gonna put them in warm water for about 8 minutes. Now I'm just gonna give them a shake. And I think this was the hardest part. Alright, we're gonna start by adding the 2 Coco Lopez into the jar. Next, I'm gonna add the 2 cans of pineapple juice. Just gonna mix it. Now I'm just gonna cover this. And we're all set. You can just put this in the fridge and take it out when you need it. Just mix it a little bit because it settles. Now I know a lot of people that don't drink, so all you gotta do is just pour it into the glass. And you can just drink it like that. You don't need alcohol if you don't want to. Now to make it with liquor, we're just gonna add ice into the glass. Next, we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of your favorite rum. I'm using Rum Zacapa aged rum, so I'm gonna add 1.5 ounces. Next, I'm just gonna top it off with Pina Colada. Alright, let's give this a try. Wow, I love the flavor of the aged rum and the Pina Colada. Now if you're just starting to drink, you don't like the taste of liquor, we're gonna mix this with Malibu coconut. So we're gonna start by adding ice into our glass. Next we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of Malibu. And now we're just gonna top it off with the Pina Colada. Since this cocktail is meant for parties, we're not even gonna garnish it. I'm just gonna throw an umbrella here.
Is there a place with sun all year round and pina coladas with pretty?
And that's how you make the Pina Colada by the pitcher. If you guys like the video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, thanks for watching, and until the next one, cheers!